Well, tell them.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another
You
video.
gotta wait till the car goes by. Now tell
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video on your table outdoors with Tim and Jayden.
them.
And
All right.
we're gonna be putting these wraps together.
Right. Today, I have two U-shaped float tubes that was donated by Bass Pro Shop last year, and we never got to use them. So today we're gonna put them together. Jayden's gonna open his up, and he's gonna put it together. He's gonna blow it up, and then he's gonna take it out here in the water, and he's gonna learn to maneuver it a little bit before we start our float trip. So the first thing you want to do is open the box up. Pull it out. And put the box in the car. Put it up there. Take it out of the bag. Now you want to unfold it. No, you need them. Alright, so it goes this way. Now them tubes, they go together this way. And then it slides through here. And then these slide in here, and they're snapped together. Okay. So once these go in here, then you can adjust these straps. You can adjust these straps to keep it tight. And what that does, it stops it from pulling apart. Keeps it together. Okay. Now, this thing should have got a tube here, and it should have a tube. We're gonna have a tube back here. Yeah. It has a tube back here. Okay. Okay, so then all you need to do is slide this on there and turn it on. tighten this down. And I keep the air in. Now we got one back here. This is your back there. And you tighten that down. Okay. You have a pocket here. You have a pocket here on both sides. That gives you 4 pockets. And you have one up here behind your head to put stuff in. So you have 5 pockets. And then you have these straps.
If someone like pokes it, is it still gonna stay live?
This is for your rod. When you're not holding your rod to fish with it, like if you want to take a break, you lay your rod across here and then put the strap down over your rod and it keeps your rod there.
So how do I cast it?
It has a hook on. It has a loop on both sides. Or you got 2 of them.
What does that do?
One of them will be for your mini bucket. The other one will be for the landing net. You hook the mini bucket on one side and the landing net on the other side. I fished out of these for 30 years. Now you got a handle back here. Look, take your handle, swing it around on your back.
I'm swinging it around
This way.
my back.
This way. And now walk it down to the river. All right, this way. Jayden, back in here. I told you to wait. Now, what you're going to do is unstrap one of these and get in there and sit down. Now hook this back up. Now come out here. Now if you move your feet, you can go from side to side. And if you kick your feet forward, it'll push you backwards. If you kick your feet down, it'll bring you forward. Now don't go too far, they're fishing. Now you feel safe in there?
Yeah, I believe so.
Huh?
Yeah.
All right, bring it over this way. What are you doing? Well, come on, over this way. You're not supposed to be down there. You should be able to stand up and walk. If you unhook that back strap, Jayden, unhook the back strap. I said if you unhook that back strap, then you can walk it. Like when you get to a place where the water's real low, if you unhook that, then you can walk it. When you get to the deeper water, then you hook it back up.
So, here's what we're gonna do. To really,
What?
to really get yours and do it so we can go down.
We're gonna go down.
Wait,
Not today, tomorrow.
why not today?
Cause the thunderstorm's coming. I just wanted to get you over here and get you in it so you can see what it was. Because I don't want you to be scared when I get you out there. So you get tired of fishing, you just lay back and take a nap. The water will take you down quick. All right, come on, let's bring it up here. That pump out. What are you doing? Now, these have valves on them. If you unscrew the valve, then the air comes out slowly. Okay? If you take your pump and instead of blowing air in, it sucks the air out. How you doing? All right. All right, let's get all the air out of that one. And you open up the one in the back.
It's gonna take less time.
This won't take long. You got all the air out of it. Huh? And if you unhook this, step back in the car. And you can just fold it up. And it's ready to go. So then all you do is take it home and hang it up and let it dry. And you're good. So I hope that showed you what the float tubes that we're going to be using look like. First time he's ever been in one. So the next couple of videos will be us on the river. We're gonna do a lot of floating in the tubes, and you'll be able to watch and see how short it here does floating in the tube for the first time for a couple hours at a time. Until then, we'll see you in the next one.